Hello friends, we NICOLAS CORREA S.A. are a Spanish company engaged in manufacturing of medium and large size milling machines. We are European leaders in this category of machine tools. Our manufacturing program consists of bed type, bridge type, gantry type, upper gantry moving, and floor type milling and boring machines. All our machines are been equipped with universal heads, indexing as well as continuous. We also offer heads like facing as well as turning heads. So the machines are somewhere around starting from 3 axis to almost 9 axis machines. We are very proud to announce 2022 as our platinum year. We recently completed 75 years manufacturing milling machines. In India, we started our operations way back in 2007. We recruited service and application engineers gradually as we grew in this market. Initially, after installing some machines in this market, we started offering turnkey solutions, which consist of tooling, fixturing, and component rollout. Everything manufactured here in India. We are very proud to be a part of Indian Railway Manufacturing Program, where many of the components of these railways are being manufactured on our machines. We are a team of very highly professional pre-sales, after-sales, and turnkey solution provider engineers. Today, we also started a couple of years back. We also started a head repair center located in Pune industrial area. This has benefited to majority of our customers who are using machines for very long period. We look forward for a exponential growth in this most prominent and promising market. Thank you.